Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your mobile is on the ZTE Wi-Fi you intend to change. This ensures you can reach the router UI. Open your phone's browser and type the router IP address, commonly 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1, then tap Enter. When the login screen appears, enter the admin username and password if you haven't changed them. The default may be on the router label. Once done, you'll be at the router dashboard ready to proceed to wireless settings. From the dashboard, tap into Settings or Advanced to reveal network options. Make sure to select Wireless, WLAN, or Wi-Fi settings so you can edit the access details. You'll see fields for SSID, network name, and security type. Locate the WPA/WPA2PSK password field to change your passphrase. Choose WPA2PSK when available for stronger encryption, and enter a new password that's at least 12 characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you enter it, after inputting the new password, tap Save or Apply and allow the router time to commit the change. Some models reboot automatically. Once the update finishes, reconnect your phone and other devices using the new password. Make sure to update any smart devices that use the old passphrase. If you cannot log back into the router UI, try default admin credentials first. If that fails, perform a physical factory reset with the Reset button. Then reconfigure Wi-Fi from scratch. Remember to set a secure admin password immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.